So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. Traders, my name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. I will be helping you with all your trading concerns. I hope each one of you is doing good, everything is working fine on your side, and like always you are ready to learn a new technical tool, a new strategy. So before we start the today's session, I just want to make a quick request. Traders, so the comment section is already active for you, so please let me know if my audio and video is clear for you. The same you can use for your further communication also, in case if you will be having any doubt, question, query. Of course, you are most welcome to drop me your comments. Also, please share the link of this channel, this webinar, because every now and then Olymptrade is used to come live on this channel where we are talking about different technical tools, strategies, market news, market updates, just to help our traders in their trading concern. So I request you, please share it with your dear ones so that we can connect with max to max people, so that we will be able to help them. Tanveer ji, I'm so sorry, today's session is supposed to be in English, so in Hindi we are conducting sessions on the same channel Tuesday and Thursday 4 to 5 Indian Standard Time. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday we are conducting all sessions in English. Please confirm me if my audio and video is clear, so that I can kick off the session. We can talk about different topics which we are supposed to, even though I have already cross verified on my device, but I just want a quick confirmation from your end also. Musician, hello. Okay, good evening, very good evening, very good evening. So traders, please confirm me so we can talk about that. And before we kick off the session, I just want to tell one more thing, that even though this session is live, but there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. Why I am telling you that thing? Because sooner or later I am going to start some live trading. So if I'll suggest avoid copy trading, because you might be able to open the position after a couple of seconds, and that can lead to some negative results. And at the same time, you should be focusing on learning the strategy, because this session is live for next to at least next to 50 or 55 minutes, but you have to trade after that also. So that is the reason that you should focus on that, how this strategy works. In case if you will be finding any difficulties, of course comment section is there, you can write to me, I will be taking care of that. Thank you so much for the confirmation. Good evening, all is well. Great. Yeah, so make sure you avoid copy trading and you just focus on the learning strategy. Okay, so let's kick off the session. Let me introduce myself again. I can see so many traders have joined. So my name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. Olymptrade is used to conduct these type of sessions where we are talking about different technicals, just to help you with all your trading concerns. So before winding up today's session, I request you, please make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live, you will be getting a notification. On this channel, we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages: Hindi, English, Arabic, Portuguese, Thai. Like these, we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages. So whichever you are comfortable with, you can join as per that time window, or you can do one thing, just go to the content part, go to the playlist part, and then you will be able to see all these playlist in that specific language. No worries, Shubham, I will be taking trades on different assets, so there is a possibility that we will be taking trades on Asia Composite also. So let's kick off the session without wasting more time. So the screen which is visible to you, this is the application version in my laptop. There is a possibility that some of my traders, some of my dear ones, they might be using a mobile application. So the interface can be a bit different, but one thing I can assure you, that the technical which we are going to apply today, that is available, or that can be used in mobile as well. How to apply this strategy? So you can see that there is a tower 4 button, the last one with the name of technical analysis. Once I'll click on that one, those who are using the mobile application, so the same button is going to be available somewhere on the top. Start scrolling down. The name of the strategy which we are going to discuss today is RODEO. That can be used for FT, which means fixed time trading, FX, which means Forex trading. Once I click on the strategy, you can see a quick introductory video here. No need to bother yourself for now. Of course, I am here to help you. But in case in future, if you miss something, if you want to revise it, this is the best source you can use. Or I will make sure that this session is also saved on the platform on the YouTube, so you will be able to explore it here with the name of strategy, which is a RODEO. 3 things we are going to use. The first one is high Kanashi candles. We are not going to use Japanese in that one. We are going to use high Kanashi. Second one is stochastic, and the third one is MACD indicator. How you can apply it, how to use it, nothing to worry. I will be explaining that one. And in case if you haven't reached to the expert level and this strategy is locked for you, very important thing, traders, you need to focus on, no need to buy this strategy. This can be applied manually also. I will be teaching you, nothing to worry. In case if you don't know, just drop me a in the comment section if you have used this strategy in the past. Also share your experience in the comment section, so that will be useful for other traders also. So stochastic with the frequency of 1433 and MACD with the frequency of 12, 26 and 9. Once I'll click on enable strategy, I'll click on this one, and you can see that the strategy is visible on my screen. I can see there are a couple of comments. Traders, keep on commenting, keep on dropping your doubts, whatever the questions, whatever queries you have. I will be coming to them, and then of course I will be taking care of them. Okay, no problem at all. Okay, I can see that there is one trader, Tween Crafter, so he made a huge loss on the platform. I'm sad to see. Mr. Tween, just let me know, like, if you were using any technical, any strategy so far, or what technical you were using, in case if you were. Just give me a brief information, a bit information, so I will be able to, trying to help you according to that. Okay, let's go back to the strategy. Traders, keep on commenting in the comment section. I will be taking each and every comment, and I will be guiding you with everything, all your concerns, nothing to worry. I request you, please do not spam your comments. Just type it once. I will try to focus on that one. In case if you find that I have missed it and I have moved to the another further comments, then you can paste it again. Okay. Now, how to apply this manually? Let me just give you a quick overview. So all you just need to apply MACD, stochastic and high Kanashi candles. Candles can be changed from here. Basically we are using Japanese, so you will be using high Kanashi in that one. To apply the stochastic, just go to the search bar, type stochastic, click on that one. The same frequency is there, 1433, 1433. In case if you want to change it, or if you need to change it, you can change it from here. Don't click on remove, reset or cross, just click on back button. Again, add more tools. What else we need? That is MACD. I will type MACD, click on that one. Same frequency is there, but sometime there is some visualization changes you need to make, so that can be make easily. Once everything is sorted, everything is applied, click on these 3 dots, save a strategy, next, and your strategy will be ready to be used. Now I will be making a quick change, a small change on the visualization, not with the frequency, because if you observe the MACD, what exactly how does it work? So there is a 0 level in the just front of that, there is a straight level, straight line. So every now and then this level, this bar or this area graph, that is intersecting this level, and the same information is given by these 2 lines also. So the green and the red one can be considered as a base level, and the green one can be considered as that area chart. So either you can keep this one or these 2. So most of the time I will be hiding these 2, and then I will be changing this one to the area graph, and that's how it is going to work. Now let's talk about that how exactly this strategy works. Traders, I have already explained that how this can be applied manually. So I am suggesting again, if you are not on expert level and the strategy is locked for you, no need to bother yourself by spending some extra bucks on that one, by purchasing that strategy. That can be applied manually also. Okay, it's very easy. Majority of the strategies can be applied manually, so no need to spend money while buying that one. You can use the same capital for making trades. Now how this strategy works? 3 things are there. First one, high Kanashi candles. Second one, MACD. Third one, stochastic. Now how exactly it works, let me explain. So the beauty of high Kanashi candle is that it is going to tell you the direction of the market with the help of the color of the candle. So as all we know, green candles market up, red candles market down. So if you are able to observe that back to back green candles are there, so they are stating that the market can move into the upward direction. At the same time, we will try to focus on this part also, which we call MACD. So whenever there will be any intersection of MACD, let me just highlight it, let me make it a bit more thicker, so that will be more easy for you to observe. Okay, so whenever there will be an intersection of MACD level in the upward direction, then it will indicate that the market can go into the upward direction. At the same time, if the intersection is in the downward, the market can go into the downward direction. Very easy to understand. Now let's talk about the third one, and one of my favorite. But traders, if it is my favorite, that doesn't mean that that should be also your favorite. You should focus on that, like how exactly it works. You should try it on your demo account. If that works for you, then you can consider it as your favorite also. Okay, so how exactly stochastic works? In stochastic, there are two levels. The first one is 80 and the second one is 20. So this level is known as overbought zone. The second one, 21, is known as oversold zone. If you want to memorize it, like sometime when the traders are talking about stochastic or anything like in a technical form, like there was a overbought interaction or there was a oversold intersection, so I was supposed to take a trade on that one. So just to memorize it, I can give you a layman idea that how you can memorize it. So overbought ending with the T, so the top level, oversold ending with the D, so the down one. So whenever the market is moving in a specific direction, or market is keep on moving into the upward or keep on moving into the downward directions, and these two lines, these two rules, they are intersecting either this level or this level, then we can assume that there can be a price correction. What exactly price correction means? So if the market is keep on moving upward, price correction means market will start moving downward, and that could be the vice versa. So whenever we will be finding any situation when the market is in overbought zone or in oversold zone, so then we will wait for the price correction. Price correction means now the market is keep on moving upward, so we will wait for that time that when the market will start moving into the downward direction. Let me refresh it, just give me a moment. Okay, just give me a second, traders. I'm just reloading my platform again. I just saw that it was stuck. Just give me a second. Okay. Perfect. Sorry for the disturbance. Yeah. So whenever the market will keep on moving in a specific direction, we will wait for the price reversal, we will wait for the market reversal, and once we will get a confirmation from these two levels, like when these two lines will again intersect and start moving in this light gray zone, either from upward to downward or downward to upward. So whenever there will be an intersection, then we can open up opportunity in that specific direction. Now before starting the live trading, some live action, traders, one more quick information, important information. See, all the trades whatever I have taken in the past, or I am going to take in the future, or I am going to take in this session, everything is depending on my skill set, on my practice. Second thing is a financial market, there is a possibility of partial or fully capital loss. So please focus on your learning part also. It's not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. So I request you learn these technicals, learn some fundamentals, try to grab a hold on market. After that, start making some investments on real fund, with real fund. Okay. And the third one, which I have already conveyed, that even though session is live, but avoid doing some copy trading, because that can lead to some negative results also, because there is a telecast cap. Okay, so now all we need to wait for these three confirmation all together. Once we will be getting a confirmation from all these two, then we can open a position for this strategy. If the minimum suggested time frame is 1 minute chart time frame, and the suggested trade time frame can be considered from 2 to 3 candles. 2 to 3 candles means if the chart time frame is 1 minute, so the trade time frame can be 2 to 3 minutes. So sometime you might be observing that the 2 minute window is working fine, but after some time the 2 minute is not working fine. All you just need to change the trade time frame, that's it. Sometime you will be able to grab a hold on market. So it's not that complicated, and with the help of the back testing, of course, you will be able to grab a hold that which time frame is suitable for you. Now there are some hidden points, like where you can focus on, like a couple of things which I have observed. So sometime you will be getting a confirmation with the help of candle colors plus stochastic, or sometime with the help of candle colors plus MACD. So if the confirmation is from all these three, good to go, you can observe and you can take a trade. But if the confirmation is from candle plus stochastic, that can be considered. But if candle plus MACD is there, then you can stay calm, or you can wait for some time. Because like if I'll try to explain it, because see, now on this level you can observe that there is an intersection of MACD level and the color of the candle has changed, but the stochastic was not in the overbought zone or on oversold zone. Once you will be able to grab a hold, then of course you can trade on these levels also, when the blue line is intersecting this red line. But in the beginning, I'll suggest try to keep the things simple. Just stay stick to the basics, sticks to the raw one. So whenever you will be finding any intersection of stock overbought zone or oversold zone, then you can open your position. Now see, if I'll observe this one, so on this candle there was an intersection in the downward direction. The candle color changed also on the very next, but MACD intersection was there on this candle. So rather than waiting for this candle, you can open a position on this candle also, when you got the confirmation from the high Kanashi plus stochastic. Traders, in case if anything is being complicated, you are not able to grab or understand, just drop me a ping in the text in the comment section. I will be explaining it again, but I request you, please understand each and everything, every part, what is the importance of that one, how you are supposed to apply it manually, automatically, how you can use it. You can ask me, feel free to ask. Okay, let me take a couple of comments, or we can do one thing, we can start our active session, like what we call the live action, and then we will start taking some comments also. So I will keep on shuffling my cards, I will keep on moving from one asset to another asset, just in a search of signal. Whenever I will be getting any opportunity, I will be opening a position. Okay, so up trade 2 minute intersection in the upward, this one, and the candle change the color. Let's see. I will be opening back-to-back trades because I want to show you max-to-max examples. Okay, so there was a very nice opportunity, but we have missed it. We can do one thing. Let's try to catch a running train. I have opened a trade with $50, but I have used a RFT because there was an opportunity, very nice opportunity on this candle, but we have missed it. So I have tried to take a trade in the ongoing signal. So that is the reason that I have used a RFT. Traders, I will be opening back-to-back trades because I want to show that how this strategy exactly works. But for you, there are no such compulsion. Take one trade, wait for the result. If the trade is positive or negative, look for that. As per that, you need to use your risk management or money management, and then take your next trade. Okay, I have opened a couple of assets also. Okay, so I got one request for Asia Composite. Let me see if I have opened, or let me do one thing. Let me open a couple of currency, a few currency pairs. OTCs are also already open. So let me open a couple of composites. If any metal is there, I will try to open that also, because majority of time I am considering all the assets, those who are having 80% or more than 80% profitability. I don't go for lesser than that one. Okay, so let's start shuffling. Okay, very nice opportunity was there, but we have missed it. No worries, no worries. Rather than taking a trade on a random signal or a signal which can be there, we will wait for the confirmation. We will stay calm, then we will take a trade. Okay, there can be opportunity on the last asset, which is compound index. Okay, it can be there sooner or later. Okay, the support level was breached, so market is moving into the same direction. sooner or later I'm expecting that the market might change the direction. So once we will get a confirmation there will be an intersection in the upward direction, then we can think about opening up a trade in the upward direction. Let's stay on the same asset and let me take a couple of comments. Tanveer, okay, so can I make 1000 to 1 lakh? Tanveer, you can make, that is completely fine. It's not impossible, but you have to work on your technicals, your skill set. You have to stick to your goals, your money management, risk management, but that can be done. Sir, please tell me how to identify support and resistance perfectly. Koka Irfanji, it's very easy, but that can be applied or that can be done only on Japanese candles. So for now we are using Heikenaishi. I have changed to the Japanese. So it's very easy. It's not that complicated, or you don't need to draw it on every level. Majority of time whenever the market is getting stuck at a specific moment, like if I'll consider this one, this one, this one, and at the same time that can be also considered as a support level. And once this level was breached and next candle started from the below level, then we can consider that that specific level has been breached. At the same time you can consider this one, like from this level. So slowly and gradually, once you will start drawing it with the technical tools, like with drawing tools, you will start getting a hold on that one. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so our one trade stable index, that was negative, no problem. Let's see about Moonch index. Okay, so Moonch index, that was supposed to go positive if we would have opened that opportunity on this candle, but we were quite late, so it's in front of us. No worries, no worries, we will try to explore more and more. Okay, so there can be opportunity, support level, resistance level. Market is somewhere in the consolidation, but we can consider this one. Let's take a trade in the downward direction, because it's about to 7 o'clock, so US market is about to open, so we can assume that there can be some sudden volatility, or we can find some sudden what we call fluctuations that can lead to some negative results, but nothing to worry. If in general, I'll suggest you can take a break from 6:45 to 7:15 or 7:25, but like usually our session is used to get conducted at that time, so I will try to grab a hold on that one. Okay, so market is already in the oversold zone, so there can be a price reversal. No worries, we will keep on shuffling our cards, we will keep on switching our assets, so wherever we will be finding any signal. Okay, so market is stuck somewhere in the resistance level. Okay, so if the market will breach this level in the downward direction, the overbought zone, then we can consider to take a trade in the downward. Let me take some more comments. Okay, so for my mistake, lost 140 in just couple of hours in Asia. MJ Rafiji, that is completely up depending on you, that how much you are going to make in a day and how much you are going to lose in a day. What I am trying to say, that you should have a stop loss and take profit, and then you should trade as per that. Second thing, you should not be sticking to a one specific asset. Sometimes there might be some volatility, or there might be some information floated into the market which is leading to some back-to-back negative results. So I'll suggest, like what I am doing, like this is something which I am following. So if my back-to-back 3 trades are negative, so what I will do, either I will take a break or I will move to the demo account just to find that what exactly can be done to fix it. And the third one, just switch the asset. Market is still stuck in that one, no worries. Faisal ji, Vilu ji, hello. Okay, I'm so sorry traders, I have missed a couple of comments. Okay, so today I lost demo account 500. Vinuji, nothing to worry about that one, because in demo account, once your capital is 0, just click on that clock over button, that will be refilled again. Second thing, that is the best part, that you are trying to grab a hold on that in demo, so no real funds are on stake. I have lost many money. Prateek ji, I request you, please suggest me like which strategy you are using. Hello Ravi. Okay sir, make session on composite index. Abshebi, for sure I will try to take a trade on composite index also. For now I'm just waiting for the signal for the pop-up on this asset. Let's see, once we will get a pop-up, like once this intersection will be there. Okay, boom, here is a go. Okay, so we have opened an opportunity on Europe Composite, $15 downward. So what asset we have been suggested? Okay, so how to start as a beginner? Aryan Kendraji, the best which I can suggest you, work on your skill set first. It's not difficult to invest money, but it's difficult to invest time. So once you will start making investment of timing, once you will start learning that one, once you will be able to grab a hold on the market, then you can start making investments on a real funds. The reason behind it is why I am suggesting to invest time first, because once you will be having a capital in your trading account, then you will not be waiting to learn something. You will start taking some aggressive trades or some random trades. Some of them might go positive, some of them might go negative, but that can wipe out your complete capital if you do not have complete information. So I'll suggest, because earning is there, but after learning. So that is something which I am always suggesting, that keep learning, keep earning. So I am always considering learning as a first part. Okay, in this session you will recover. Pratik ji, I am also trying to take couple of trades on the basis of these technicals. Sometime we will be able to make huge profits, but sometime we might be facing some losses. So it's not like that there will be some strategies which will be promising 100% accuracy. These are just technical, mathematical, calculation based tools which can give you a direction of the market. I'm always saying that can be the direction, that can help you. I'm not saying that that will be the direction, because it's not 100% accurate. Okay, sir, withdrawal amount 8,000 not credited. Raja Rajanji, I request you please connect with the support team. They will be guiding you with that one, because this 1 hour is only dedicated for the trading concerns. So I request you, support team is already there, so they will be guiding you with that one. Nothing to worry, you will get your money. Jim Stories ji, hello. Okay sir, give me 5-second trading strategy. Imran ji, I'll suggest avoid taking trades on a very short time duration, because shorter the time duration, higher the risk can be there. But that doesn't mean that you can't make profits on that time windows. You can, but you have to grab a hold on the market. In the meantime, if you want to use a very aggressive strategy, you can do one thing. You can try to apply smart RSIs that can be used for 15-second trade, 30-second or 60-second trade. Okay, so you can try that one, but again I am suggesting every trader, those who are going to explore that smart RSI, apply it on your demo first. Try to grab a hold on that one. Once you will be able to grab a hold, then you can take it to your live. Okay, so traders, the third trade was also negative. Let's do one thing. Let's switch the trade time frame. So we will try to make some trades with the high time duration, with the 3 minute. Let's see if we will be able to, because it's about to 7. So that was quite obvious to find such volatilities that the technical might not work properly, or we might not be able to make some profits. No worries, we will try to explore it more. And let me use my risk management. Let me reduce my risk, because I can see that back to back negative trades are there. Okay, so we can try to grab an opportunity here. So this level is already, market is stuck on this level. Market bounced back. If we would have opened the asset, there was an opportunity to open a trade on that level. But no worries, there is an opportunity to open a trade in the downward direction. Okay, let's do one thing. We will try to make a recovery. So with $50 RFT, we will open a trade for 3 minutes downward. Pop-up is there. Let's see if the market will continue the same, and then whether we will be able to make some profits or not, whether we will be able to recover everything or not. Okay, very nice opportunity. Quite late, but let's see. Let's try with $10 downward Mahajantra. Okay, so 2 trades are in which trade? Okay, so this is another trade which I have opened for somewhere around 3 hours. Astro Composite, 2 hours. Okay, so this is the trade which I have opened prior to my session. Okay, very nice opportunity was there at the beginning of this candle. Let's do one thing. Let's take another trade in upward direction on the basis, because on this candle there was a upward intersection of MACD. Okay, no level, Okay, let's move to the first signal again. Let me take couple of more comments until and unless we will not be completing these trades. Okay, so how did I predict the market whether it's going up? Madan Kumar ji, like if you talk about this strategy, three things you are going to focus on. Color of candles. Green candles, market up. Red candles, market down. Second, MACD intersection. Zero level, there is a straight line. So whenever the intersection in the downward direction, market can move into the downward. If the intersection is in the, let me show you with a better example, or let me open some another assets where we will, okay. So see, intersection was in the upward direction and market is moving into the upward direction. Third confirmation, stochastic, overbought zone, oversold zone. If the market is breaching this level in the downward and then coming back to this light gray, then market can go into the upward again. And the vice versa, market is moving from upward to downward. Or let me show you a clear picture where a sharp edge intersection is there, like this one. So downward direction, market can go downward. Traders focus on that thing. Like I have seen some traders, like sometime whenever I'm showing this strategy to them, so what exactly they start working on, so they will start taking trades on this intersection. So no, you are supposed to wait for the price reversal or price correction or market reversal. So the reversal will be there once the market will intersect this level and will start coming back. So from there onwards, or in the vice versa, market moved into this level and then the intersection will be in the upward direction. So then and there you can try to grab that opportunity. Okay. Madan Kumar ji, I hope everything is clear. In case if you have missed something, or if you want to know that how this strategy can be applied automatically or manually, just scroll the session a bit back. You will be able to find everything. I have explained everything. Okay. How to add indicators? Vinuji, very easy. If you are on expert level, just go to the technical, just go to the strategy, scroll down, RODEO, click on enable. If you are on starter or what we call the advanced level, then this strategy might not be available for you. Just go to the technical, just type stochastic, click on that one, apply it. Don't click on the remove or reset or cross, just click on the back. Then MACD, click on this one. Once you will be applying everything, you will be finding 3 dots here, click on that one and you will be able to save that strategy. So that can be found easily, or I have already explained in the beginning of the session, so you can explore it there. Okay, I want 5-second trading strategy. Imran ji, 5 seconds, that can be a bit more aggressive, that can lead to some negative results, but still if you insist, you can try to try working with some RSIs, like smart RSI you can use. That is the best which I can suggest. But again, before taking anything on the live account, I request you, please apply it on your demo and try to grab a hold. Message was received. Rajaji, then there is a possibility that the amount is in the bank processing center. So once they will be processing it, you will be receiving that amount. Okay, very nice. So far we have taken 3 trades. One $10 trade was negative, one $10 trade was positive, and in the meantime that $50 trade was also positive. So let's find first that what was the mistake which we have made on this. Okay, so if we would have opened this opportunity on this or at the beginning of this candle, so there was a more chances of winning, but we were quite late. No worries, that was quite obvious. Okay, so let's see about this one. Okay, so what I'm just trying to analyze that if we were supposed to grab that opportunity for 2 minutes, so were we able to make profits or not? No worries, we will try to explore it again in the coming. Okay, so intersection in the downward direction, 10 we can go for. Okay, let's move to the another one. Traders, in case if you will be finding any signals on any asset, you can also drop me in the comment section. I will be checking that signal. I will be giving my review on that one. If the trade will go positive, of course I will be the one who will be enjoying the profit. I will not be sharing it with you, but at least you will be getting a confirmation that whether you are able to grab a hold on that or not. Okay, tell me how to add indicator. Vinuji, I have already explained. Still, if you have doubt, just let me know. Sir, I also want 5-second trades. Shubham ji, 5 second can be very aggressive, and that can lead to some negative trades, negative results also, because that will be wiping out your capital very fast. Because see, understand, just go for a normal calculation. In 1 minute, you can go, you can take minimum to minimum 12 trades for 5 seconds, or let's make it 10 trades. So if you are taking trades with a very aggressive amount, that can wipe out your capital in a couple of minutes. Okay, open syntax, yes, by ethnicity I'm an Indian, sir. Okay, it's Jack. Hello Jack. So Jamil, thank you so much for your thumbs up. Very difficult but not impossible. Technopedia, that is not very difficult. That can be understood, but if you are ready to invest some time, because we are here to help you with different technicals and everything, all your doubt concerns, but you should be available with us. Like, you should also able to spare some time. Why you don't use risk-free trades? You have 88 SBC. I am just holding it for some time frames, like when there is a huge volatility, or I need to make some recovery on a urgent basis, or there is something like where I am not able to or I am not ready to take risk. Like, we have just taken one trade, 2 trades with risk-free trade, because I know that during this time window sometimes the volatility is very high, so I am saving these for such time. Okay, Amna face. For sure, Amna ji, just subscribe the channel, be part of the family. Tuesday, Thursday, Hindi, Urdu, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, English. We are coming live there, or we are also conducting sessions in 8 different languages. So whichever you are comfortable with, I request you just explore that playlist, or connect on this channel at that specific time, and you will be able to grab out. Patrick, the name of the strategy which we are discussing today is the RODEO. Okay, sir, any strategy on 5 second? Musician, you can go for smart RSI. That is the best which I can suggest you. Okay, I have been buying and selling based on volume. See, you can do that one on the base of volume also, but sometime if the market is in oversold zone or in overbought zone, then you might not be able to grab opportunity. Sometime you will be stuck in the reversal. I have been using parabolic with stochastic, bear power, bull power. What do you think? Yeah, that can be used, but if I talk about parabolic and stochastic, both of them are the trend reversal indicators. So both of them are going to indicate the same thing. So no need to use both of them. You can use either one of them, or that is completely up to you. Because see, the more and more lines visible on my screen, the more it can create a confusion. That is the reason that I have tried to simplify the MACD. I have removed 2 additional lines just to make it look more easy and less complicated. Crazy Kalakar ji, Radhe Radhe. Hello. Most of the time smart RSI gave wrong signals. Market always go against the RSI sign. See, Mohammed Ibrahim ji, it's not about that like it's giving a correct signal or incorrect signal. That is also depending that how quick you are while picking it up. And if I talk about the RSI is also working on the overbought zone and oversold zone. So you need to focus on. See, this trade was also negative because we have entered into the market a bit late. No worries. I'm not that much worried, because I can see that one of my trade, like with the big capital, is already in the pipeline, and that seems to be going positive. So I will be able to recover everything in case if I will be losing anything, but nothing to worry. Still, I need to focus on that how we can use this strategy more accurately, so we will be able to. Okay, so there was an opportunity intersection in the upward direction. MACD is quite far. Status, when you will be finding these all 3 signals all together, that signal can be a bit more productive. That can help you with a better result. But sometime, as I have already explained, sometime you will not be able to grab it all together. In case if signal is with the help of the color of candle plus stochastic, that can be considered. But if it is with the color of candle and only MACD, then I'll suggest you can drop it, or you can think about it. Okay, let me shuffle the deck again. Let's start from the first asset again. In case if we will be able to grab something, of course we will be taking that opportunity. Okay, again we missed by 3 candles. There was a very nice signal. If we would have opened the opportunity somewhere on this. So the open price was 59953. So that was something like 53. So yeah, So the candle opened here, but we missed the opportunity. No worries, no worries. Rather than taking a trade on a already generated signal, I'll suggest, or I'll prefer to shift the asset to look forward for a better signal which is there or which can be there. Okay, market is stuck somewhere in the consolidation. Consolidation means like the market is in a flat mode. If I'll try to explore it on a Japanese candle also, so you can see, if I observe that much market, green candle, red, green, two red, two green, one red, one green, one red, one green. So that is trying to say that the market is not holding any specific trend. As we know that there is a old saying in the market, trend is your friend. At the same time, if you try to focus on stochastic also, then these two lines are also stick to this level. They are just going parallelly. So what we are supposed to expect, or what we are supposed to find, something like a quick intersection, a sharp intersection. Okay, so let's move back to the high Kanaishi candles rather than taking. Okay, again very nice opportunity, but we have missed on this candle. On composites, somehow we are able to grab some opportunities, but on OTCs, the market is not that stable. No worries, no worries. We will keep on trying to explore it. And traders, in the meantime, if you have any doubt, just let me know. Just let me know, so we can talk about that. Okay, as Mohammed ji, hello, deep Dhadia. Sir, there is BOC impact news coming on 7 USD CAD currency pair. Can you please enlighten on this, how this trade? I'm so sorry, Deep, but I haven't checked that news so far, so I'm not sure about that, how that is going to affect, because I need to make some certain changes, and I'm not sure that if I will be able to make during while I'm on live. I don't have Maha in my checklist. Asian, please. Okay, no worries. See, different traders, they might be having different assets available, so no worries. We will try to explore Asian. Let's talk about Asian. And traders, those who want to talk about the market news and market updates, like every Monday we are conducting a special session. My colleague Akash, he is coming live on the same channel 6:30 to 7. That is hardly a quick 30-minute session where he's talking about all the upcoming news. So you can do one thing, either you can explore his session, or you can connect with him whenever he will be coming live. He will be explaining that one. Unfortunately, I was not in touch with like a couple of things like from a long time, so I will not be able to give you a better information. So rather than giving you something random, I'll avoid. I'll just pass on that one. Okay, so on Asian, there was an opportunity on this candle, but we have already missed it, so we will wait for the another one. Strategy in Forex. Okay, Raraji, the same can be used in the Forex also. Let me show you. So if I'll talk about the RODEO, okay, just let me remove it. Okay, so RODEO can be used for FTT and FX, which means Forex. So how you can use it for the same? So for that one, all you just need to make a quick change. The minimum chart time frame should be from 1 hour to 4 hours, not less than that one. The reason behind is because the longer the opportunity you are going to grab or you are going to hold, the more and more profit you can make, because at the end of the day the market should be in your favor. So that's how you can open your position in the Forex. All you just need to focus on these levels. So once there will be intersection on this level or from this level, like you can open your first position here, you can hold it until and unless these lines will touch this level, then you can think about closing it. Again, you can open another position in the downward direction, even though you can see that the market was in the same direction and market was not able to hold that same direction for a longer period. But that's how you can use it in Forex. Like you will be opening position here, you will close it here. Again, you will open next position here, then you can close it here. Again, next position in the upward, close, downward, close, open, and that's how you can use it. Sometime you might be facing some negative results, and this is the perfect example. Or you can just as a precaution, in case if you will be observing that there is an intersection of these two in between, you can close a position just to be on a safer side, because see that if you would have opened a position in the downward and you find an intersection in the upward, close the positions, stay calm. Again open a position, close here. Again open a position, close here. Again, now there can be opportunity sooner or later to open a position in the downward direction. In case if you will be finding any intersection in the middle of this light gray zone, you can close the position. Otherwise you can hold it, and at the same time you need to focus on the movement of MACD and the color of the high Kanashi candles also. It's very easy, like this strategy or like RSI or stochastics, these can be used very easily. All you just need to change the chart type. Use of alligator indicator and learn about trade on the same. Techopedia ji, I would love to help you with that one, but alligator is quite complicated. Like in that you need to focus on like teeth, jaw, mouth. So you need to focus on that how exactly it is working. I will try to explain the same strategy in a coming session, or we might have talked about that strategy in the past. But let me just give you a quick overview about that one. So if just give you a raw idea that how alligator strategy works. So when the mouth is tight, when the mouth is closed, so that, like, assume it like you are the market and alligator is trying to eat it up to you. So if the mouth is closed, if the teeth are closed, so of course you will be finding some pain. So that can lead to a red market in the downward direction. At the same time, once the mouth is open, teeth are away, then a bit relaxation is there, so the market can go into the upward direction. So that's how you can use it. At the same time, we might have talked about the same strategy in the past, so you can explore the playlist or in the description itself. Like as we have talked about the RODEO, they are also there is a piece of information available like this. So of course you will be finding the alligator one, because it's hardly 5 to 7 minutes to go, so I'm not sure that whether I will be able to explain it properly. Okay, so this trade might seems to be going positive, no worries, but we are supposed to focus on this strategy. Let me see, let me have a quick round again in case if we are able to open an opportunity. Okay, so let's do one thing, take a trade for $10 stable index downward, because MACD is quite far from the level. I want to open a trade for 2 minutes on the same asset also. Let's see which trade will go positive. Okay, so let's talk about another one. Okay, so market is trying to change the direction. Okay, so this time we might find all three confirmation altogether, because MACD is very quite near to this intersection level. At the same time, the candles are also trying to change the color. So this time we can do one thing. Let's open a trade for $30 with the RFT in the upward. Okay, let's see if this trade will go positive. Let me reduce my real capital amount. Okay, so no, there can be a signal, but it can take some time on Mahajantram. Okay, now no more signals for now. Market is already in the oversold zone, also stuck in the consolidation, so we can wait a bit on this asset, or we can do one thing again, shuffle the deck. Let's try to. Okay, market is trying to move into the upward. This level was not breached, market is stuck in that. Let's move to another. Rather than taking some risky trade, I will try to work on the quality trade. Rather than focusing on quantity, we will be focusing on quality, because lesser the negative trades, less time we need to spend on a recovery mode. Because there is a possibility that you will be able to recover your funds, but sometime by the when you are about to close your day, you might not be able to recover it. Or the second thing, you might be able to recover the funds, but the time which you have spent on recovery, there is an opportunity that you can use the same to make profits. So you can focus on that part also. Okay, again for the next trade, Mahajantram downward. Let's see if that this trade will go positive. Let me see if any more comments. One live trade please. OP Gamers ji, even though if I will be giving you some live signal, that will be telecast to you after 30 seconds or 1 minute. So in case if you will try to grab that opportunity, that can lead to some negative results. So that is the reason that I am always suggesting my traders, my viewers, that please avoid doing some copy trading. Just try to explore the strategy, learn about that one, because once you will be able to grab a hold on that one, then you will be able to use it on your own. And traders, one last thing I want to share with you. So every now and then, like as I've already talked about, that we are conducting live sessions on YouTube. At the same time, there is an exclusive service which is basically for our expert level holders only. The number of session is more as compared to the advanced one. Advanced level holder can take one session in a month, but expert level they can have more. So what exactly that means? So we have a team of analysts, so we will be giving you one personal analyst who will be conducting a Zoom session with you. Each session is going to be for 25 to 30 minutes, where they will be sharing their screen, talking about different technical tools, sharing you information about that, how you can use them. And the best part of these sessions is the first one, whether you are going to take one session or 1000, all sessions are going to be free of course, no need to pay anything ever to anyone. Second thing, these are one-to-one, so if you will be having any doubt, question, query, you can ask them then and there. You can have a live conversation with them. Okay, but for that one you need to reach to the expert level or at least advanced level to have one session in a month. And if you will be on experts, of course you will be getting more sessions. In case if you are on expert level, or if you were on expert level but so far you haven't got your personal analyst and you are not getting that opportunity, or the main need that you should update your contact number in your profile. Please avoid sharing your personal information in the comment section. Just update it on your profile. And at the same time, in case if contact number is updated, you received a call but that was with a number of +44, or you saw it's an international call, so you just disconnected it, or because of any XYZ reason you were not able to take that call, or that went to the spam, or you are not able to update the number, any reason. And even though if you were on expert level but currently you are not, you have lost that level, but you were not able to grab that opportunity, the best which I can suggest is drop an email or message to the support team. Tell them that you need some guidance in trading. Please raise a callback request and share your contact detail with the support team. So once they will be receiving that request, that request will come to my department, and someone from my department, we will come into the picture and we will line up your sessions. And again, I'm confirming all sessions are going to be free of course, so nobody is going to ask you to pay anything. In case if somebody is asking you to pay something, make sure that call is not from Olymptrade, because Olymptrade is not giving any paid services. Okay, so there is one last comment. OP gamers, which time frame see and trade plays? See, OP gamers, like this strategy, minimum 1 minute chart time frame you can observe, and you can take a trade for 2 to 3 candles. You can increase the chart time frame to 2 to 5 minutes also, that is completely fine. So the trade time frame is going to be as per that, so 2 to 3 candles. So traders, I am sure that you understood the strategy, how exactly it works. I request you again, you can observe that we have faced some negative results, so there is no such surety that you will be able to make 100% accuracy. There are no such strategies which will be promising that one, but once you will be able to grab a hold on that one slowly and gradually, even though if you will be able to hold a success rate of 55 or more than that percent, you will be able to make a profit if you have a strong money management and risk management. And before winding up this call, again requesting you, please make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live again, you will be able to get in touch with us. We will be able to talk to each other again, and I will be trying my best to help you. So thank you so much again. Thank you so much traders for sparing time. Thank you so much for such an interactive session. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning, keep earning. This was your host Kunal Kapoor, your financial analyst. Thank you so much. Take care. Cheers.